Okay guys, this is an exclusive video. I was walking down my road and that alarm over there went off. That Weelock AS went off. I remember I filmed this back in October. This alarm at the power plant went off. Well, it just went off a second ago. It just stopped. But here's the weird part though. It's a cop. There's a cop. Anyways, here's the weird part though. When the alarm went off, when it went off for a second, it did one round of code 3 and then it stopped. It went like this. And that was done. That was it after that. So it may go off again. I don't know. I'm kind of waiting. See if I can hear. I'm not going to cross the street until I hear it again though. Let's wait. I heard it down my street though. So I'll go here. When I filmed back in October, I went over there and recorded it. But let's just wait. Maybe it'll go off again. It only went off for a second. Literally just a second. Then it quit. So I'm not sure if that's a fire alarm or a general signaling alarm. It has to be a fire alarm because it does code 3. Oh gosh, I'm tired. It's like 7:40 at night too. Wait and see if it goes off again. Just wait a second. Kind of stand by. Should I cross the street and show you it? Really, it's not really that close. It's really far away. Chance it. The alarm is right there. It's on that building right there. You know what? I ain't gonna go over there. I don't feel like walking way down there. But it's on that building. You know when I filmed in October, fire alarm going off at Consumer's power plant. But I'm still waiting. I don't think it's gonna go off again, but if it does, I'll set my camera back up. I'll wait a few more minutes and see. That's it for now though.